In front of me is Honor 400 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and tapping on more connections right away. Then select print. Click on the footprint service or any other service you wish to use. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can click on More at the bottom right corner. Select Add Printer and add it using IP address by tapping on Add IP address at the bottom left corner. Entering it here and choosing Add, or select Wi-Fi Direct at the bottom left one if your printer has this feature, and wait for your smartphone to find it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!